Welcome back, 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL. Today we're diving into one of the most breathtaking luxury roadsters ever created. This car isn't just a convertible, it's a statement of status, authority, and engineering dominance. Mercedes has taken the legendary SL name and elevated it to a Maybach level, which means everything here is reimagined with more exclusivity, more craftsmanship, and an overwhelming sense of occasion every time you sit behind the wheel. If you're looking for pure luxury and an open-top grand tourer, this might be the most fascinating machine of 2026. The moment you first lay your eyes on the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL, the presence hits you like a wave. The design carries the traditional SL proportions, long hood, wide stance, and a short rear deck, but wrapped in Maybach refinement. You notice the signature Maybach vertical chrome grille shining like polished jewelry. The chrome accents around the body flow with elegance instead of flashiness, and the sculpted lines soften the aggressive SL shape into something more regal. The massive Maybach wheels, with their intricate multi-spoke design, immediately tell you that this car isn't about blending in, it's about owning every inch of the road. And as sunlight hits the body, the deep metallic paints offered exclusively for the Maybach SL showcase those pearlescent layers that only the wealthy get to enjoy. The exterior lighting is another highlight. The digital light headlamps project with surgical precision, and the rear LED strip glows with a seamless effect that makes the car look futuristic even when parked. The soft-top roof works silently and quickly, turning this luxury beast from a coupe-like cruiser into an open-air lounge in seconds. Everything about the exterior tells you Mercedes wanted a roadster that could look both powerful and graceful, aggressive yet aristocratic, dynamic yet deeply luxurious. And then you open the door. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL interior is a world of its own. It feels like stepping inside a luxury suite at an ultra-premium hotel rather than a two-door performance convertible. The seats are wrapped in the finest Maybach-grade Napa leather, available in two-tone combinations that feel more tailored than manufactured. Every surface is covered with handcrafted stitching, polished metal trim, and custom wood veneers that look like pieces of art. You immediately notice the Maybach embroidery, the contrast piping, and the way the cabin feels perfectly sculpted for long-distance comfort. The ambient lighting glows softly across the cabin, wrapping around the dashboard in a flowing ribbon of colors that can shift according to driving mode or personal preference. The Burmester 4D high-end surround sound system is one of the best audio systems ever installed in a Mercedes Roadster, producing vibrations through the seats to immerse you fully in the music. When you're driving with the top down, the system automatically compensates for wind noise to keep the audio experience perfect. At the center of the interior sits a vertically oriented touchscreen running the latest MBUX system, complete with Maybach exclusive menus and animated graphics. The screen tilts electrically to reduce glare when driving with the top down. You also have a fully digital instrument cluster with customizable layouts and unique Maybach displays. The air vents, finished in polished metal, blow warm air around your neck through the air scarf system when driving with the roof open on cool nights. It's the kind of detail that reminds you why Maybach is synonymous with indulgence. Rear seats exist mostly for style and storage, but they're beautifully designed and lined with the same materials as the front. Even though the SL has always leaned toward being a two-seater, the Maybach version makes sure the rear space doesn't feel forgotten. The overall cabin atmosphere is calm, quiet, and soothing, like a place you could escape to even if you never drove the car. But the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL isn't just about luxury. It's also about power. Under the hood, you get a hand-built engine that delivers the smooth surge of torque Maybach is known for. The twin-turbo V8 produces immense power, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. But what makes the performance special is not the raw numbers. It's the way the power is delivered. The engine feels silky, refined, and never stressed. Even when you push it hard, it responds with a deep, velvety growl instead of an aggressive roar. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts with elegance, always finding the right gear without harshness. The all-wheel drive system ensures that the Maybach SL remains stable, confident, and composed even at high speeds. This car isn't built to attack corners like an AMG model. It's built for powerful yet smooth grand touring. On the highway, the ride is incredibly calm thanks to the adaptive suspension, which reads the road in real time. Even rough pavement feels cushioned. When driving with the top down, wind management is outstanding. Aero deflectors and body design work together to keep the cabin peaceful, allowing normal conversation even at high speeds. The Maybach SL is one of those rare convertibles that are just as comfortable cruising at 120 kilometers per hour, with the top open as it is with the roof closed. And now, the question many future buyers want to know: price. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL is expected to start well above the standard AMG SL models, moving into true ultra-luxury territory. Pricing will likely begin around the very upper end of the six-figure range and climb easily into seven-figure territory once fully optioned. But this isn't just a car. It's an experience, a luxury lifestyle symbol, and a collectible masterpiece for those who want the ultimate Mercedes open-top flagship. Maybach customers aren't buying horsepower or convenience. They're buying exclusivity, craftsmanship, and the emotion of owning something incredibly rare. If you want a grand touring convertible that blends modern tech, timeless elegance, breathtaking craftsmanship, and a driving experience that feels like floating on a cloud while riding a hurricane of torque, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL stands alone. It's the kind of car that makes every journey feel important. Every mile feel cinematic, and every moment behind the wheel feel like a privilege. Mercedes has created a roadster that doesn't just transport you, it transforms the way you experience luxury on the road.